Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome back to Motosoul, and this is the garage update video and all the motorcycles that I have. Now, I've bought the first motorcycle, that is the blue RX 100, and this is a 1989 RX 100. This is the 1971 Vespa. So this is a 1971 Vespa 150, and this is the 2002 Yamaha RX 135, and this is the 1967 Jawa 250, and this is the 2012 Hero Impulse. So these are all the motorcycles that I have in my garage. Previously I had also owned a TVS Suzuki Shaolin, and I also had two Luna TFR, a Bajaj Chetak with a sidecar. So I've had some more motorcycles, but I had to sell them, and these are right here right now. And Alhamdulillah for all the motorcycles. Now all the motorcycles that I have, I had bought one by one, and I did all the work myself. So I had to get all these motorcycles and spend a lot of time and lot of money and lot of patience in getting all these motorcycles. Now watching these motorcycles in one video, you might think this is a very easy for any person to just go and buy all these motorcycles, but trust me, this is actually my hard earned money, and I've spent about 7 years getting all these motorcycles right here. So the blue RX 100, I got it in 2013, and then everything followed. So my last edition is the RX 135. I have had all motorcycles from quite some time now, and trust me, I enjoy each and every motorcycle that I own. And I also have plans for the RD 350 in the future, but that's not going to happen anytime soon because of budget problems, and we have other priorities in life as well. So these are all the motorcycles. All four are 2 strokes and 1 4-stroke. This is the Hero Impulse, the Jawa, the RX 135, and the RX 100. I also had another RX 100 that I had to sell, and then I got the RX 135. So I got all these motorcycles slowly. I didn't get all these at once. I've had some of them for about 7 or 8 years now, and some I got this one I got last year. So it's a very different experience, and to own a motorcycle is a different feeling, and to ride a motorcycle is a different feeling. Now I cannot choose one from all these motorcycles. I need all of these, and that is the beauty of each and every motorcycle that I have. So I just think all these motorcycles have a very different place in the heart, and the way it feels. The RX 100, I cannot choose the RX 100 over the 135 and the 135 over RX 100. Of course, if I would have to choose one, I would choose the RX 100, but it's a very tough opinion. And all these motorcycles are pleasant to ride. Now I also had a Bajaj Chetak with a sidecar. I had to sell the Chetak, but I have the sidecar with me. I would be installing it in the future to this Vespa. And as I said, I had a Shaolin, I had two Luna TFR, and a Chetak as well. I have plans to get all those motorcycles in the future, but I don't think that would be happening anytime soon, because each and every motorcycle, to maintain it, it's a very different thing. It's easy to buy a motorcycle, but then to keep it running and to maintain it, that's a very good, and it takes a lot of effort and lots of time and lots of patience to prepare these motorcycles and maintain them and keep them running every day. So that's about it. Let me end this video with the exhaust note. We'll start with the Vespa. all these motorcycles are very close to my heart, and it has taken a lot of time, lot of patience, and a lot of money to maintain all these motorcycles. And it would surely take a lot more in the future when I plan to keep this with me. So I occasionally ride all these motorcycles every week. I ride them, I take them out for a short spin, and I enjoy them as much as I can. And I also don't really want to add more motorcycles to the collection. It might be the RD350 that might join it in the future, but it's not going to happen anytime soon. But I wouldn't go and buy any more motorcycles. I don't want to be a collector. I actually want to ride them and maintain them like they should be. So that's about it for this video. And comment down below which motorcycle do you think has to be in my garage, and which one do you think is the best one in all these 5. And I hope to see you guys in the next video. Till then, ride hard, ride safe, and I hope to see you next time.